Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to ignore messages on Messenger without blocking. So you have two options in order for this to work out. You have A, you could just go ahead into the Messenger and mute the person that you want that you don't want to receive notifications from anymore by just holding right here and then just click mute, and you can select the time period, if you want it to be 1 year, 24 hours, or until you change it. Just go ahead and click until you change it, and now you will no longer receive a notification that that person actually sent you a message. Second option that you can do is to restrict them by going ahead to their chat, click on their name at the top, and scroll a little bit down, and basically click restrict. And by restricting, you're gonna see three features available to you with the restrictions, which is move the chat out of sight, removes the conversation from the chat list so you won't get message notification, hide your activity. The other person will not know that you are active or not while you're restricting them, and unrestrict anytime. You can just unrestrict them, or unblock them basically, or unmute them for any time, any period. You can set it in, or you can set it on, right? And that person will have no knowledge or no idea that you actually restricted them. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.